Today on thedailyEco, we explain 10 curiosities about spiders. Let's take a look. 1. Spiders are not insects. There is a belief that all small arthropods are insects, but it's important to know that there is the class Arachnida and the class Insecta. Spiders belong to the arachnids, which are not insects. They are closer to fleas and scorpions. 2. They are carnivorous. They feed on different insects that they hunt with the help of their chelicerae, which serve as fangs to hold and sometimes inject venom. Among the most common prey are mosquitoes, flies, moths, or terrestrial insects such as crickets or beetles. 3. They use hydraulic pressure to move. Spiders do not have muscles, which means they have to use another strategy to move. They create pressure differences with their hemolymph, which is the liquid equivalent to blood in arthropods, so that this pressure supports their 8 legs and body. From this, they create an outward pressure with their legs to be able to support themselves on them. 4. Their silk is stronger than steel. The specific function of spider silk is to retain prey, which, when trapped in it, are immobilized to be swallowed. This spider silk is made of proteins and comes out in liquid form from structures called spinnerets, but when it comes into contact with air, it hardens. A strand of spider silk is 5 times stronger than a strand of steel, making it stronger than this material. 5. Not all spiders spin webs. Most of them do not spin webs to hunt. They depend on other strategies to hunt, such as pheromones or venom to paralyze prey. However, all spiders produce silk. These are the threads with which spider webs are formed, which serve to build nests or to move. And before we continue, let's put you to the test. What are the structures located on the posterior part of the abdomen of some spiders that produce silk for purposes other than capturing prey called A. Venom glands, B. Escape filaments, C. Sexual organs, D. Silk spinnerets? Think carefully because at the end of the video, you can check if you got it right. 6. Many females eat males. Female spiders often devour males once they finish copulating, a behavior known as sexual cannibalism. This serves them to reduce competition among other females. Additionally, female spiders are larger than males to accomplish this task. 7. They don't have good vision. Spiders have multiple simple eyes, always arranged in pairs. They can have 4, 6, or 8 eyes, depending on the species. Generally, most have 8 pairs. Although they have many eyes, spiders do not have good vision. The exception is jumping spiders, which do have good vision as they can form images. 8. They are covered in hairs. Spiders have their bodies covered in setae, which are sensory hairs. They send information from the outside to the spider system, so it can interpret movements, air currents, or threats that touch them. 9. All spiders are poisonous. All spiders inject venom with their chelicerae, but not all of them are dangerous to humans. Most of them cannot penetrate the skin, and their venom is too weak to have effects on our bodies. It should be clarified that there are spiders that are dangerous to people, such as Loxosceles reclusa, which is the brown recluse spider and can cause skin necrosis or organ failure. 10. Spiders molt their exoskeleton. The exoskeleton is the outermost layer of spiders, and when it's time to grow, that layer is shed. Underneath the exoskeleton, it begins to manufacture the new one, which will be released from the old exoskeleton, which is transparent and very fragile to come out of the previous one, and then, once out of it, it hardens. And going back to the question we asked you before, the correct answer is D. Silk spinnerets. Tell us, which of these facts surprised you the most? Until next time, Eco Warriors.